Here's where you can go to find the call forwarding feature as well as call waiting feature on your OnePlus 12 or OnePlus 12R phone. The SIM card that I have in this phone doesn't work, but at least it can show you where the forwarding and waiting is. So go ahead and use the quick access, tap on the settings toggle right there. Then from this part here, you'll want to go to where it says mobile network. As you enter into the mobile network section, you're going to see call settings right here. Under the call settings area, you're going to see a few more options and you'll see carrier related settings. So first, as you dive into here, you'll see call forwarding. And if you have a working SIM card, these will all be able to toggle. You can actually turn on these here, then be able to put in a number to forward the call to. Now, as you come out of here, you'll see additional settings. And once you go here, once again, if you have a SIM card that's working, you'll be able to turn on call waiting. And call waiting basically does, if you are in a middle of a call at the moment and someone is calling you, that incoming call is going to show up on the screen and you can choose to answer the call and place the other person on hold. And well, that's going to work if you are ready to take multiple calls. So turn it on, like and sub. Thanks for watching.